And let's begin with the big breaking news that's coming in on the NEET paper leak. Big development as a new mastermind has emerged in the case. The mastermind identified as Sanjeev Kumar alias Sanjeev Mukhia is now on the run. The Bihar police is on the lookout for him. He's the one who allegedly provided the NEET papers to accused Sikandar, who's already with the police, who's already in police custody. Now, Sanjeev Mukhia's name has been coming up in many paper leaks. So this man is a repeat offender, and the suspicion is that after many such exam paper leaks that he's been involved in, this NEET paper leak that took place in Bihar is also his doing. Since 2010, Sanjeev Mukhia's name has been, in fact, involved in these kind of paper leaks. He used to work with Bihar's biggest education don and mafia, Ranjit. He then formed his own gang. So the Sanjeev Mukhia gang is known for these kind of paper leaks. They're referred to as an exam mafia, extremely rampant in Bihar. Aditya Vaibhav is joining us live from Patna with more details on this. Aditya, this is turning out to be a much bigger racket than first thought out to be. Sanjeev Mukhia, someone who's a repeat offender who's been involved in multiple paper leaks, not just in Bihar, but in several parts of North India. It turns out he's the one who leaked the question paper.
Well, exactly, Akshita. As far as the investigation is concerned, of course, the Economic Offences Unit is now forced to widen the scope of its investigation, and the primary reason for widening the scope being the fact that the NTA is not readily providing them with the reference question papers that were actually demanded by them for being matched with the samples of burned question papers seized from the safe houses. So, but that being said, as far as the entire investigation is concerned, Akshita, the EOU is now expanding the entire ambit of the investigation, and now comes the name of Sanjeev Mukhia, who has been an habitual offender, and this is not the first or the last case where Sanjeev Mukhia and his men are alleged to have their involvement in the entire case. So, Akshita, this is something very crucial because the scope of the investigation is widening, and that many bigwigs and many hardened criminals are now getting their faces exposed. Akshita.
All right, Aditya, thanks very much for those details. This man, Sanjeev Mukhia, is someone who's been involved in many paper leaks, high-profile ones too, since 2010. And right now, as his name has emerged, the cops are on the lookout for him. Hopefully, they'll be able to nab him. He could perhaps be the kingpin in this entire paper leak saga in Bihar.